In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm able to make $150 every single day with affiliate marketing without needing a website. In fact, I don't even need a camera, a funnel, a big email list, or even a big social following. All I need is a cell phone to be able to do this, and I'm going to show you how in this video, so stick around. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about all things affiliate marketing, making money online, and content creation. If those are the types of things that you want to learn, or those are the things that you're into, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up so that you do see more of them in the future. Now, like I said in the intro, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making $150 a day without a website with affiliate marketing. But to better understand this strategy, let me kind of walk you through exactly what affiliate marketing is at its core. Now, if you boil everything down to its simplest form, affiliate marketing is really just when a person takes a product that isn't theirs, meaning they don't sell it, they don't fulfill it, it's not their own business, and they promote it using content of some sort. Now, typically how this has worked in the past is that someone takes content. This could be either a YouTube video, a blog post, and they're going to put it on either a social media website or their own website. Okay, they're going to put content up here, which is meant to gather, collect, and drive traffic through a funnel, which is going to collect somebody's email address, put them onto a list, and then from that funnel, that's going to pass them on over to the affiliate product website where the person is going to make the decision whether or not they buy the product. And if the person decides to buy the product, the creator of the content earns a commission. And to the average beginner, all of this on this side is really, really hard to build and get going. So what if we just eliminated everything on this side? Now, instead of having all of this set up, what if the people just came and watched the content that we made over on the product website and we didn't have to worry about any kind of traffic generation? Because that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, so what we're looking to do here is we're on a retail website. I think you can actually, you can recognize which one it is. And what we want to do is we want to actually put our videos right here. What we want to do is we actually want to put our videos right here on this page. You'll see all these videos down here on the left, on the right side. They're not made by the creator. They're regular affiliates just like you and me. Now what happens is the retailer runs ads directly to this product page. Maybe you've seen ads that look like this. Now what happens here is when retailers run those ads, they drive people, they drive traffic from social media and other parts of the internet directly to this product page. In the past, if people had questions about these products, they're going to leave the website, they're going to go Google it, and they're hopefully going to find out some other affiliate content on a website, which is then going to lead them back to the buying page. But if we put our affiliate content directly on the page, they don't have to leave the page to get their questions answered. We can knock them over the edge, get them to buy the product, and then we can earn a commission right on the page and not have a website. And as you can see here on my graph, I'm earning commissions every single day. And as you can see, you've got 200, 180, 100, 105, 199. If you look at the average of about $5,000 for the month, that's about $150 per day. And as you can see with the shipped items, I'm making over 100 sales a day using this method. But not everybody can do this. In order to have your content placed right here on the product page, right next to the buy button, which is the easiest way to make commissions, you have to qualify to be able to do this. Here's how you qualify. Okay, here's you up in the corner. This little person represents you. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna create a personal brand on social media. This could be either you creating content as yourself, or it could be you creating content using your face, but using a fake name. So what you're going to do there is you're actually going to create engaging social content, video content that people want to consume, stuff that people want to watch, stuff that they're going to share with their friends, stuff that they're going to comment on. What that's going to do is that's going to allow you to apply to be a content creator to put your content on that buy page. If you make enough of this content, and follower count does not matter. I've seen people do this with less than 10 followers. If you have enough of this good content, that's going to create an audience down here of people that like watching your stuff. What this does is this actually qualifies you to go over on the other side and put the content where you want it on the retailer's website. Then that gets placed in front of the hot buyers, and that's where you can make 100 sales a day without having to sell over on this side over on social media. And once you get qualified to put your content on the retail websites, the type of content that you're going to be putting there is very, very simple. It's simple product reviews, and you're going to start with everything that's lying around your house, because everything lying around your house is eligible to be reviewed, and there's no need to buy anything. And if you want to check out this method for yourself, I'm going to put a couple of links down in the description. One is where you can go check to see if you're qualified. And if you're not qualified, or if you want some more guidance on this, on how to become qualified, there's going to be a second link down there where I have additional training where you can learn, you can get qualified, you can start earning the commissions. And again, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so more people see it. And if you like the type of content that I put out, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell on so you don't miss a video. I'll see you guys in the next video.